He sounds a bit aggressive. I would say that's probably a bear. That one's pretty easy though, to be fair. Definitely some really loud bells. I think I have to turn that down. Bells from the Kremlin. That one sounded like it was in a bar, actually. It sounded like ping pong in a bar. Sounds a bit dodgy. Star Wars or Superman? No? Oh, opera? No? That one's quite easy, to be fair. That's trying to start a car that won't start. Starter motor's gone, I think. Give up. It's walking in the snow. I don't know if it's normal shoes or if it's snowshoes. Number 7, lucky number. Ah. Well, that was obvious, isn't it? It's the national anthem. Hey guys, looking forward to seeing you in Sochi and hearing you in Sochi, because we all know the spectators are what make a sport.